When I started planning for retirement, one of the first things I had to confront, honestly and thoroughly, was my financial health. Not just the numbers in my bank account, but the full picture, my income streams, my spending habits, my debts, my assets, and my long-term goals. It was a humbling experience, but also an empowering one. I began by asking myself a simple but powerful question. If I stopped earning a paycheck today, how long could I sustain my lifestyle? That question opened the door to a deeper financial audit. I looked at my savings, not just my retirement accounts, but my emergency fund, my investments, and even the cash I keep tucked away for peace of mind. Each account told a story, and together they painted a picture of where I stood. Then I turned to my expenses. I listed everything, from fixed costs like housing and insurance to variable ones, like groceries, entertainment, and travel. I tracked my spending for a few months to get a realistic sense of where my money was going. And I asked myself, which of these expenses will continue after retirement? Which ones will increase, like healthcare? And which ones might decrease? That exercise wasn't just about numbers, it was about values. It showed me what I truly prioritize and what I could let go of. Debt was another big area. I reviewed my mortgage, credit cards, and any lingering loans. My goal is to enter retirement with as little debt as possible, ideally none. That means making a plan now to pay things down aggressively while I still have steady income. Because debt in retirement isn't just a financial burden, it's an emotional one. And I want my future to feel lighter, freer, unshackled. I also looked at my income sources. Beyond my salary, I considered my pension, Social Security eligibility, investment dividends, and any passive income one could build between now and 2028. I asked myself, are these sources reliable? Are they diversified? Will they grow with inflation? Retirement isn't just about having income, it's about having resilience. The ability to adapt, to weather changes, to feel secure no matter what happens in the market or the economy. It's knowing that even when things shift, I don't panic. I adjust. I've built not just resources, but the mindset to navigate uncertainty with calm and clarity. Because real security isn't just in numbers, it's in the confidence that I can handle whatever comes next. One thing I realized is that financial health isn't just about having enough, it's about feeling secure. It's about knowing that I can handle surprises, that I won't be a burden to others, and that I can enjoy retirement without constant worry. That kind of confidence takes planning, discipline, and honesty, and it's worth every bit of effort. So I created a retirement budget. Not a rigid spreadsheet, but a flexible framework that includes essentials, lifestyle goals, and a cushion for the unexpected. Something that can bend without breaking. A plan that gives structure, but still allows life to happen, because retirement isn't meant to feel restrictive. It's meant to feel supported, steady, and free enough to adjust as priorities evolve. I also started working with a financial advisor to stress test my plan, to run scenarios, ask hard questions, and make sure I'm not missing anything. That process gave me clarity, but it also gave me peace of mind. But beyond the numbers, I had to confront my relationship with money. Am I hoarding out of fear? Overspending out of stress? Avoiding financial conversations because they make me anxious? Retirement planning forced me to face those patterns and start rewriting them. Because financial health isn't just external, it's internal. It's about mindset as much as math. It's learning to pause before decisions, to understand the why behind how I spend, save, and react to money. Over time, I'm not just building better habits, I'm building awareness. And that awareness becomes the foundation for choices that feel more aligned, more intentional, and ultimately, more sustainable. This week, I invite you to assess your own financial health. Not just your net worth, but your financial mindset. Track your spending, review your debts, explore your income options, and most importantly, ask yourself, what does financial peace look like for me? Because retirement isn't just about having money, it's about having clarity, confidence, and freedom. And that starts with knowing where you stand right now.